Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fred and this is my 2017 Ford F-150. As you guys saw from the thumbnail, I am going to be installing a tailgate assist. I know a lot of you guys, if you don't have a Lariat edition, this gets pretty annoying when you go to open the tail.
There's a bolt.
Thought I saw something.
Yeah, a bolt.
Anyways, I know that when you open the tailgate, this thing's pretty heavy. And it'd be nice to have the little dampener tailgate assist, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. It does come in the Lariat edition and above, but this is just an XLT. It's not a Lariat, so it definitely didn't come with it. The original Ford one looks a lot better just because it's behind the tail light and you don't get to see it. It actually just pivots on this little ball, whatever. I don't want to call it a ball joint, but whatever that is, it pivots on this, so it's tucked away. It looks nice and clean. The DeeZee one is going to mount here externally, and you'll be able to see it, but no one's going to really see it once the tailgate's closed, and when it's open they're not going to be paying attention to that. But yeah, also this is $30 versus the OEM one, which was like $70, so to me that was just kind of an obvious choice. But yeah, some tools you're going to need. It's actually pretty cool. I didn't know this until I opened the box, but it comes with the tools you need. Well, except a 10mm bolt or socket, but it does come with this. I don't need it because I have Torx bits. But if you don't have one, don't worry about it. It comes with the kit. So we're gonna need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and what is this? What size is this? Comes with the kit, but if you don't want to have, if you already have it, T50 Torx bit. So let's get into it. I went ahead and read the instructions, but I know some of you guys probably won't read the instructions. The instructions say just to loosen this bolt and take out this one. So do not remove this bolt. You just want to loosen it. Would have been better with an extension. The kit also comes with 2 brackets, so you want to use the bigger bracket down here, and this is why you don't want to remove it, just because you still want the tailgate attached. You don't want it to fall off, so you just want to loosen it enough that if this is going to be able to slide in behind it. So let me make sure that's good. Perfect. And again, this top one, you want to take it out all the way. There you go. Slide this in. Line that up. You don't want to tighten these bolts too tight because the frame or the bed is actually aluminum, so you could possibly strip these, so don't tighten them too tight, but also make sure they're snug. Make double check, right size, cool. Take this off. Oops. I think it's like hard. Well, me actually take this up. Should be able to take this off, right? Oh, there you go. Boom. Forgot to disclaim that. You want to take that off first. You can let go.
I can?
Yeah, it's got another cable. state. It's a beautiful day outside. Speaking of birds, where's our dog? There she is. Oh. This mount too, you just put the bolt through. You want to get it behind the washer. You need that space there for this cable. Again, this bed is aluminum, so you don't want to torque it down too tight because you could strip the bed. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back on. Hold that for me. I probably did that wrong, but it's okay. All right, so next, just because the dampener could rub up against the bed, you want to put these little sticker, whatever this is, on the bed of the truck so it doesn't scratch up your paint. So just cut it in half. You put one here. You should probably clean it before you do this. Some alcohol, but I'm not too worried about it. That air bubble's gonna kill me though. Right. And then one more down here. Boom. Next, probably should use the scissors. So much easier. All right, so you're gonna want to put the thicker side up top. Should just actually maybe do this one first. There you go, should just snap in. Did I do this right? Same with this one, you just snap it in. Perfect. All right, let's test it out. Well, that closes nice and easy. Oh, that's awesome. I think I thought closing it might be a little harder just because it's like, it is a little loud. I don't know if that's just mine. Maybe it'll go away over time, like once it lubricates. But it's definitely serving its purpose. That was cool. It's quick, easy. What was that, like 15 minutes? Not bad. All right. So that was it. That's all I have for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see the truck. I got another video. The one before this one talks about the truck, the trim level. I did just buy it, so I'm trying to buy a lot of new parts for it, make it customizable to me and how I want to use it. So make sure you follow the channel.